How to get lost streaks back on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get lost streaks back on Snapchat. If you open up the Snapchat app and head into your chat, you'll see a little fire icon beside the username of your friend. Now if you see it, that means that you and your friends are on Snapstreak. Now what is Snapstreak? If you send, snapped, or if you and your friend have snapped each other within 24 hours, then you'll get a little fire icon with particular number showing up. Now the number means the number of consecutive days you have snapped each other. However, if you lose it, after the latest update, you'll get a little restore icon at the right hand side of your screen. You can restore your Snapstreak, lost Snapstreak. However, once you restore it, to restore it again next time, you'll have to take a premium Snapchat Plus or pay for it. The only way to get back, the only other way or the alternate way to get back your lost Snapstreak is to start over again and to start snapping each other consecutively. This is the only way you can recover your lost streak, or if you want to pay for it, you can simply head into your restore option that you'll find at the right hand side of your chat and you'll be able to restore it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.